Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, high-protein, super creamy, super healthy, super easy roasted butternut squash soup. Tahini is the game changer as the soup gets so super dreamy creamy, so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a butternut squash onto a baking sheet. Along with 2 tomatoes and 3 onions. Next, bake it at 400 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Now pour it into a blender. Along with a quarter cup of tahini. 2 cups of a hot veggie broth. And season with salt and pepper. Blend it until super smooth. And enjoy a super creamy and super healthy soup. Thanks for watching.